morning, beautiful soul. Hey, Grace Mondlana, Lungile, and Umbali Wamadosh. Ngiyamthanda Umbali Wamadosh. You know, Grace Mondlana is not hated ngoba she's such a bad person or she's a mean girl. Angmazi personally, but ngizomjudge her based on what I see ku TikTok wakhe and ku social media wakhe. You know, what I've noticed is that South Africans hate people with boundaries. They hate people that can set boundaries. This is how far I want you. Don't go beyond this point. You'll hate abantu abanjalo. The reason you'll hate Grace is because Grace uyakwazi ukuthi lalela uhamba ugcine la. Awudluli beyond this point. If Grace was a yellow bone figure, big nyash, ngabe nithi content creation is in front. She knows where she's getting her money from. Grace has shown us many times how she made her money, how she started as a content creator. But that is not enough for you guys. And then nifuna Grace ukuthi abe generous, not even generous, abe slim. You'll want her to be stupid. Ngalendlela ukuthi all wonke lamanye ama content creators and influencers ezekuyena ezomxhaphaza. Phela nina niyamthanda umuntu oxhaphazwayo. Most of our content creators are last because you'll come into this industry bese nifuna ukuplease everybody. You have no boundaries, nifuna ukuthi people to come to your apartments anyhow. Grace is setting boundaries and lesa sithombe lesanibhala ukuthi no photos. Y'all are mad. Why? Umuzi wakhe nina y'all hate abantu abanama boundaries. Yo, Father God, where Grace keeps shining, honey. Yabona ulungile umuntu ka David. When I saw apology yakhe izolo, you know, ngasitshela ukuthi you know what, mhlambe you could have just said uyaxolisa ukuthi maybe udlale ngesikhathi esirongo, maybe joke yakho the timing was wrong, but not ukuthi uzwe into details ukuthi why did David go home, ngoba even if David azange ahambe, they were still going to look for something ukuthi bak attack. David left, they were laughing at you ukuthi David left. You followed David, and then David took you to the rural side of Tanzania, of Tanzania. You know what? In the beginning, they acted as if, oh, this is so cute. Oh, Gandila is South Africa. He's living in luxury. That is why they don't want to go. In the mud, in. But if he took you to the city, you lived in Pilo in the city, they were going to say, oh, you see, this is what the foreigners, they come to South Africa to take all our monies, basically in their countries. David Daipila in Tanzania. Labantu, you will never satisfy them. You will never satisfy Labantu. The reason I mentioned Umbali Wamadosh, I'm going to tell how they bullying Umbali. Just because Umbali broke the internet in a story about her life. Not even a story about her life. And it's she's evolving. God is still abandoned. They hate the fact that she's evolving. They want to dictate how she lives her life. South Africans, some of y'all, some of y'all, bayafuna control, and when they can't control you, they will bully you. Yabona nje lama inboxes of people bekusendela threatening to unalive you, bazokusendela uphuthu in bathiwani nthuma uphuthu. All of that, mina I get that all the times. I get ama pew yay ngithola yonke into. Abantu nje from time to time they will just visit, casually walk into my inbox and they insult me, they swear me. Ingakho ngithi I wish your apology was only about the timing of a joke and then just move on. Don't explain to them ukuthi ni planani in ngoba these people don't care. They do not care about you, sweetheart, or about your Nino David. Just live your life. Ngisho nanakusasa still bazofuna ukuthola faults because they want to control you. What they want you to do is to disappear because they hate healthy relationships. They hate abantu aba mentally well. Angithi manje bafuna ukuthi Grace abe depressed. Grace abone ukuthi oh, South Africa hates me so much, and then phela abanye beni depression ithola kanje. This is how you'll get depressed because you'll try by all means to impress people that don't care about you. Nifuna ukimpress abantu abanganandaba nani. Ayibongeke guysini, do better. I just always say ukuthi lalela, whatever you do, as long as you are not stepping on anybody's toes, be yourself, live your life, and forget about ukuthi internet eating, because you can never please anybody. You can never please anybody. Ngisho Grace and wake up every day abe nama giveaways, still it will not be enough. You will criticize what's inside the giveaway. even if athi ukhokhela abantu ama school fees kodwa athi ngizonikokhela kuma semi private, nizothi oh but imali yakho ingakwazi ukuthi ikhokhele umuntu in a private school, why don't you take them to a private school? You will never please South Africans, majority of them. So nje guys, just learn to live your life. Vele at some point we are all going to die. So ukuthi wena ufe kanjani, it doesn't matter, which means your part with the story was for you to die in that manner. Yo,